Skyrocket is one project that I believe in so much. Although this project isn't new, but it has been increasing gradually, which is why I will be talking about it today, and what could possibly be the future of this project before 2025 ends. Checking the live price data. Sky is up 3.85% in the last 24 hours. The 7-day change is a significant 19%, so the recent surge is part of a broader uptrend. The trading volume is up 6.23%, indicating increased activity. Looking at the news tools, there's a lot about exchanges delisting MKR and supporting the token swap to Sky. For example, KuCoin and BitGet are delisting MKR futures and spot trading pairs, which might be forcing MKR holders to convert to Sky. Another factor is the technical analysis. The RSI-7 is 62.74, which is neutral but approaching overbought. There's also news about Sky Protocol's growth. Over $1.4 billion in TVL via Sky Token Rewards, $2.4 billion in Sky Savings, and significant buybacks. These fundamentals could be boosting investor confidence. However, the broader market context is mixed. The total crypto market cap is up 0.78% in 24 hours, but Sky is outperforming. The Fear and Greed Index is neutral, so it's not a market-wide euphoria driving this. Altcoin Season Index is down 12.28% over the week, suggesting capital isn't flooding into alts, making Sky's rise more project-specific. Potential risks include the upcoming delisting of MKR contracts, which could cause volatility. Also, technical indicators like RSI nearing overbought might signal a pullback if buying pressure eases. Putting it all together, the main drivers are the MKR to Sky token swap deadlines, positive technical indicators, strong ecosystem growth with high TVL and buybacks, and strategic partnerships. The urgency to convert MKR before penalties and the protocol's fundamental strengths are likely the primary reasons for the 24 hours price increase. In conclusion, I wouldn't advise you to get this project because from the trading volume, it shows that a lot of investors are not really active because I can't see a reason why it has little volume. But nevertheless, let's get to the full details of Sky Token. SkyCoin is a complete ecosystem based on an innovative next-generation blockchain technology. SkyCoin has been developing continuously for nearly 7 years, with the first commit dating back to 2013 by early developers of Bitcoin and Ethereum. They have their own consensus algorithm known as Obelisk, written and published academically by an early developer of Ethereum. Obelisk is a non-energy intensive consensus algorithm based on a concept called Web of Trust Dynamics, which is completely different to POS, and their derivatives. A major goal of SkyCoin is to promote actual usage of cryptocurrency rather than speculation. Skywire, the flagship application of SkyCoin, has the ambitious goal of decentralizing the internet at the hardware level and is about to begin the testnet in April. However, this is just one of the many facets of the SkyCoin ecosystem. Skywire will not only provide decentralized bandwidth, but also storage and computation, completing the holy trinity of commodities essential for the new internet. SkyCoin also has its own ICO platform called Fiber, their own deterministic programming language, CX, derived from Golang, a private decentralized messenger system called Sky Messenger, and a decentralized social media platform, BBS. Here is another way to think of SkyCoin: an open-source, community-owned, hardware-based peer-to-peer internet designed from first principles and leveraging the incentive system of the blockchain. Moreover, unlike most ICOs you see these days, they're not asking for money with the promise of developing something in the future. This is a project with a 7-year-long development, and the testnet of their first flagship project is about to launch. SkyCoin, a third-generation cryptocurrency, is the fuel of the entire ecosystem. It supports 300 TPS, free transactions with less than 2 seconds transaction time, is resistant to 51% attacks, is sustainably maintained without energy-intensive mining, has default private transaction with the CoinJoin protocol, and pays a form of dividends in a different currency known as coin hours. Think NEO/gas. This is all possible due to its innovative consensus algorithm called Obelisk.
Rồi, chị cất tập hồ sơ để vào chỗ cũ đi. Bánh máy nhá.